Hey everyone, welcome to $2 Tuesday. So today's kit, we actually have the Scarlet kit, and I printed out the deluxe version of this kit in Premium Matte. So this is the Premium Matte Scarlet kit. It's a super bright, fun kit in case you didn't want to do like a specific Valentine's Day kit. You still should be able to get these in time for Valentine's Day if you wanted them. These are your full boxes here with like the paint. I almost call this like something paint. You know, like red paint or something, but yeah. Then we have your icon sheet and with your like sidebar and weekend banner, your checklist boxes, and you also have like quarter boxes down below. And then we have more functional boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, and then we have like some appointment and bill due and habit trackers and things. Then we have your deco sheet, which I've always said I like using the sheet to layer. And then lastly, we have the washi sheet with the date headers. So this is the washi sheet, and then we have your date headers here. And if you are putting these across, by the way, they should like match up into like a darker to lighter color on your planner. So yeah, that is the deluxe Scarlet kit, now available for $2 Tuesday. So make sure you check the description to grab your kit before the deal is gone. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye everyone.